Hello, Body Fangs, welcome to the push. Guys, have you driven around with your Kapoki Trokkie or your Hilux or even your Ford Ranger and you got yourself a neat little tonneau cover? Yeah, but it's always a bloody hassle getting the thing on and off. Yeah, there's only one place you need to stop for your tonneau cover. Can you see how bloody beautiful it is? Yeah. Tonneau King, they design covers that last. It's the first lockable cover in South Africa. Say goodbye to trying to tuck in the little corners there of a stupid bloody tonneau cover. Hierdie ding vou so netjies op soos jou ma wat jou onderbroeke opvou. En jy hoef nie meer so te sukkel soos 'n klein rooi kop laaitjie wat 'n chappie in sy hare gekry het. It's easy. Kijk dit hoe bloody oulik is dit. No more worrying about where to sit on the side of a bloody safari trokkie ou nie. Jy kan even nou jou ou dikgat skoonpa saamvat. Ons sit hier so. Not only do Tonneau King do covers, they've got accessories too. Like this bloody amazing roll bar. It's made to fit your tonneau cover. Kyk net hoe lekker gly hy hier binne in. Buddy. Sorry, thought there was a ninja with his bar. We can all do with a bloody bin liner. Polypropylene, ja. Nie as acid brand hierdie ding nie. For those stargazing nights in the middle of a bushveld with your Nazi. Now the worst thing about going on a hunting trip there with your clean father is when you put the bokkie in the back over there, bro, alles is die bloody grondpad. Yeah. Well, here at Tonneau King, they've even got a seal kit. Bloody beautiful, easy to assemble. Almost like this mat. Fits in the groove. What is a bakkie without a sack in the back there? Yeah. Ideal for your clean mother. No. Your clean mother's clothes and groceries and lekker goede. Completely waterproof and dustproof. Now, Tonneau King has been in the industry for over 14 years. That's why they can offer a 5-year warranty on all their covers and sacks. I mean, bags. So pull yourself towards yourself there and get in contact with Tonneau King. Bloody